Why is the box moving for no reason? Dog logic, of course.
Who did this?
Looks like someone's ready to start their own gardening business. Alert! Pup on patrol, howling to keep the streets safe. When sitting turns into snoozing, this dog's got the multitasking game on lock. Hold up, buddy, your toy's not even out of surgery yet.
Soon, okay? Don't leave it. Wait, leave it. I'm just gonna sew.
When the whole squad wants the rope to themselves, classic tug of war. These puppies are having a bathroom party, and one's inspecting the mess. When the swan fights back and sends the dogs packing.
Dumpling!
When the mud-covered dog looks like a ghost, it's no wonder the other pup runs away in shock.
She can't see. Buddy digs a hole in the sand, then bolts in shock when it suddenly fills with water. Two black dogs sitting on their owner's stomach like they're on a boat while he floats upright in the pool.
야, 고돌이 이게 뭐야?
No way I left the house for 1 hour. Are you dead serious, bro?
When you lock a dog in, they just make their own doggy door. Morning parade of the Little Shadow Squad marching out for breakfast. This sneaky pup has mastered the art of snack snatching right from under the radar. Playing possum until the spotlight hits, this dog can't resist a dramatic reveal. These pups just discovered a talking cactus. Playtime just got a lot more interesting. This puppy's first taste of ice cream is pure happiness on a cone. This dog's snooze could solve world peace, one snore at a time.
Brown dog, what do you see?
This dog's got the message, no more scary doggy pictures, please.
Don't look at him, he said yes.
These pups are onto the chocolate game. Every crinkle makes them think it's treat time, but their sneaky owner keeps them guessing. While playing, one curious pup interrupts, "Hey, why are you filming us?" Who knew being almost human height could still leave you short?
Baby, oh, it's so pretty. Let me get the baby. Can I see the baby? Oh no.
Ugly facial expressions for not touching the child.
Touch the baby? Let me touch the baby. Oh shit.
You can't just leave it.
This walk just became a chill session. You go ahead, Mom, I'm good right here.
Come on.
If no one stands by this helpless little guy, well, his life could be in some serious trouble. The banana procession didn't last long. One kid's slip is another dog's snack. Banana down, doggy chow. When the pot's full of fluffy cat, not soup. A great example of love is having a floating friend, even in water. That stare down didn't last long, straight to the bite. TV snacks aren't safe, dogs diving in for a taste. Caught mud-handed. Quick, to the bed, evidence hidden.
Ela tá preta de lama.
Dragon fruit disaster. Dog's mess makes a quick getaway to the next room.
It's not for you, man.
Hey human, don't forget me. I need that scratch first.
It's good.
There's no training behind such a big jump, just pure love.
چه کاریه؟ بده من بینی، بده مامان.
Exercise regularly to stay fit and keep your body in shape.
Thanks for hanging out with us. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more positively hilarious moments.